Hello guys, and in this third lecture we are going to learn about variables. What is variable and how we use it? Variable is basically a word for a placeholder. In JavaScript we use variables so much, so it's important to understand them. When we want to create some variable in JavaScript, we just simply write var for a variable and the name of the variable. Remember, we can use in name of variable only underscores, letters, and numbers. No space, no other characters or something like that. And also, a variable cannot start with numbers. So this is important. Keep that in mind. For example, I will create variable called I. Then we type equals and number or string or whatever. In the variable, we can store functions, objects, or arrays, or so much more, but I will get in those later. So for now, just keep in mind that now we will write string and we end it with a semicolon. So it's like a one statement, like I said before. And now, when we want to output this variable, we type document.write because with this function we are outputting things. And the name of the variable. We don't use quotation marks or anything. We just use without any marks name of the variable. So when we check it out, hello. See? Hello. And now we can also type here some number 12, for example. Refresh it, and here we have 12. But last thing to mention, also important, this variable is different from this one. This is not the same. If I output this, we will get the same results, but this is not the same. Obviously, these are numbers for us, but if we would use a math or mathematical operation in JavaScript, uh, we have to use this number, not string, because JavaScript takes this variable, like a variable with number, and this variable like variable with text or string.